Video 11.3, Intavolature or Partimenti or Counterpoint exercises. Some of Leo's lessons seem to straddle different genres of exercises. If we looked only at the first system here, it presents a partimento, a notated left hand and a presumed improvised right hand. But if we look at the second system, and let's listen to it now. The red notes in the first system indicate the up a step, down a third movimento, even though notes are displaced by octaves. A student responding to that would do the opposite pattern in the right hand, which is represented by the blue notes. The same ambiguity of genre occurs in this one. We have a solo opening, almost like a fugue, and then we have a fully realized response, a prima riposte, where the upper voice goes 6, 5, 4, 3 in D major, and then again with added suspensions, 6, 5, 4, 3, followed by the indugio schema, which features, this is in D major, a tonic pedal point in the tenor range and a repeated E just a step above it, a moving bass below it, and again, octave repetitions of the D. It's meant to hold off, to tarry before a more definitive cadence. The preceding lessons were in a secular galant style. Here's one in a more sacred style. It features lots of tied notes and the resolution of suspensions. The suspensions are indicated in red notes, and the tones that force a consonant tone to become a dissonant tone and then resolve lower are shown in red. And you'll see that the combination of a blue forcing tone and the red suspension and resolution occurs in every measure. You notice that the left-hand part switches clefs, and as one advanced in these exercises, there were more and more clef changes. One of the purposes was that if you became comfortable with all 7 clefs, you could mentally transpose a piece to any of 7 different keys by just plugging in your mind, plugging in a different clef, changing the key signature, and just reading the music as it would be in the new key. Here's another example where after 3 block chords, we have a single part, which suggests a resolution of some sort. It's a long series of 8th notes, and it could be realized in many different ways, and one might wonder what would be the best way. And it goes on. Well, fortunately for us, toward the end of this long partimento, it's realized as an intavolature, or as a kind of teaching piece in keyboard style. The notes in blue indicate the bass of a printer. The notes in red, its melody. And notice that when we get down to 6, 5, 4, 3 in the melody and down to 1 in the bass, the pattern changes because the printer is over. It's followed immediately by a cadence.